How to download Lightroom on PC. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Lightroom on your PC. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you do is simply go ahead and open up your Google Chrome application, and you're going to have to download BlueStacks first. Search for BlueStacks download and go ahead and hit enter. Once you do that, click on the first link on official BlueStacks. And then from here, you are going to have to download BlueStacks. Once you download the installation file for BlueStacks and download the application itself, your BlueStacks should look something like this. And then from here, you're going to have to open up your app player. So in order to open up your app player on BlueStacks, just go ahead and tap on the search bar and then search for Lightroom. Hit enter and it will show you all of the possible options. If you don't find Lightroom here, you're going to have to open up BlueStacks player. So go ahead and click on the BlueStacks player option. Now once you are on the app player, click on the system apps. You'll find Google Play Store here and open it up. All you have to do now is sign into your Google Play Store here. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is search for Lightroom on your Google Play Store. As you can see, I've already logged into my account and all of the verification process is done. Now your Play Store will load up here. I'm just going to skip all of these processes for now. Now I'm just going to click on the search tab right here and then click on the search bar to search for Lightroom. Hit enter and you'll be able to find Adobe Lightroom for free. Click on Lightroom right here and you can click on this install button and it will start downloading the app on your PC. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.